Hi guys, okay. This lecture we are going to be building a house in SketchUp, We have done some other things, so we'll try to see how we can build a full house, render the external aspect of it with our kiosk viewer and others. So it's going to take us a bit little, maybe step one, step two, step three, four of it, because I wouldn't want us to rush into it and you won't understand what we are doing. So let's just go. We just take this space and let's get a very wide space, or we can still increase time. Okay, let's leave this. Then you go to push. You push it up. By 30 meters is okay. Okay. There's 1 meter. It's not up to a meter. Okay. Okay. You push it up. Go by 3 meter or just 1 meter. Let's make it 1 meter. Yeah. If you still want to take it down, take it down. Then we are going to start our drawing. So let's assume you go to select and take this. Let's assume it's 2-bedroom flat you want. You get here and say move, copy, move this 3 meter. That's 3.6 meter. Then we go here. Then we mark our dining. Remove this. Mark our dining 2.4 meter. Then you mark your kitchen. Two 0.8 meter. Then you mark another kitchen. You mark another kitchen. That's 2.8 meter. You mark another dining 2.4 meter. Then you mark another room. Mark another room. Yes. Then you have gotten this. You have gotten this, I think so. Let's start from here. We copy this, we mark our okay. This is the dining. Okay, you mark this dining 2.1 points. Okay, let's say 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Then this is kitchen, this dining. Okay, you mark this again 1 meter, 1 meter, and you mark it. So this, you mark this room again. Mark this room. Let's assume it is 3 meter or 3.1 1 meter. Let's allow 3.1 meter, and you mark the toilet. Let's say 1.2 or 1.5, 1.5 meter. Then you mark another row. So assume another room will give us 3.1, 3.1. So you do your calculation and know what is obtainable, you know. So with this, I think we can now, this is the kitchen. So you go here and mark your room again. Three 1. So you mark your toilet again 1.5. You mark another room 3.1. So I think it's okay. So what you do is you clean up. Let's clean this. You clean this. You leave this. You clean this. So let's allow this be. And you just go. This will give you your kitchen. Let's assume this is our kitchen. Give you your kitchen. Okay. In the kitchen. So you mark this. You mark this. Then think you mark somewhere. This is the dining, this is the kitchen. This is your sitting area. go to this place and you mark the plots. You mark here maybe 1 meter. You have to place here up. Use your pen and you get this 1 meter. But what you do is to get your walls. Let's now get our wall. So we go to your sides and get our wall. Let's first of all get this. Boom. .150. No. 0.1, 0.12. You go here and you mark the 0.12, 0.12. Come here and you mark it to 0.12, 0.12. Same thing with here. 0.12. 0.12. 0.12. 0.12. So we have gotten this. So you come here and we get the same thing with here. 0.12. 0.12. 0.12. So let's see how this goes. We just allow this go 0.12. You can see this, we have a demarcation here, but in this we did not put any demarcation. Let's allow it go. So we know what here we are going to open here anyway, and it will still be open. So we are going to give the opening here, or we just remove this and give that mark. Let's give that mark. Then we go here and we go to 0.12. 0.12. 0.12. 0.12, 0.12. So you have gotten this. So what you do is you start deleting the line you don't need. So we have done this. So what we'll do is to raise it up. We go to push and we'll come here. We go to 3.3 or 6 or whichever one. Let's say 3.6. Yeah, it's okay. So we have raised this. Now we have gotten our 2-bedroom. You can see it. So we'll see how we can do doors and other things. So I think let's allow this be and see if we can duplicate this. Let's see how to duplicate this before we raise it up. You go to select this. Select this. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Erase. So let's duplicate this. Let's duplicate this. Let's highlight this again and move it. Then you move. So plus. Then we use our measurement. Measuring tape. We measure from here to here. 1.8. Okay. We move this. That's simple. So we move it and we delete this. delete this, then you mark your wall. This is going to be like a gate. Like this. So use a pen to mark this. So delete this. Delete this. And it is now together. What we now do is to erase it. 3.6. Phrase this. You have to copy this. Let's copy it first. Let's copy all this. So remove this out of here. So now you go to push. You push it to 3.6. 2.6. So you have gotten this. So what we do now is we are going to open this wall. This dining, we just delete the lines that are here first. We delete the whole lines that are here. We will allow this to be. And this is it. So what we do is to open this wall. You delete it, still delete this. So we're not going to use the line. Let's get the wall. Let's get our dining. This is our dining. You can use your measuring tape. Your measuring tape. If you want it to be from here to this place, you want to give it 2.24 or 1 point or 2 meter. Let's say 2 meter 0 points. Let's call it 1 meter. 1 meter. or you go from here. Yeah, it's better from here. So you mark it 2 points. 2 points. So you see. So 2.8. 2.8. So you get it here and there. You go here and mark here. Two point 2.80, 2.80, comma 2.4. So I think it's too much. 2.40 is too much. Okay, it's too much. Let's say 2.80. Okay, let's analyze. I shouldn't waste enough time measuring. So we come here. So let's get it. Let's come here. Okay. Let's push. Let's push this. So we have opened this wall. So let's push this. We have opened this wall. Let's push this. We have opened this wall too. So let's push this. I've succeeded in opening this wall. So what you do is to clean up. You clean up this line. Well, yeah, it's going to take us some steps, but we don't want this video to be too lengthy. Okay, let's allow this be. So be patient, okay? Let's clean up. So we have gotten our dining. What we need again is this toilet. We forgot to give a gap here. So we are going to do that. This toilet, we forgot to give a gap. So what we do is we use our pen. We just draw a line here. Just we are supposed to take a measurement and draw a line. Okay. We just let's assume this another wall. So we are going to do it all same thing. So we go to push. I'll push this to 3.6. So we will delete this. We will delete this. So what we do is also to push here. Also we are going to push here to get this. So we still go to our rectangle, get it here, and still mark. Let's have exactly what we have here. So you go to push, and you push this. So you have gotten this. So what to do is to clean up too. So what we did here, we are going to do it in order. So I've gotten this. You can push this. If you are not satisfied with it, you can push it through till you get to this wall, and you clean up. So if you are not satisfied, you can also do it with here. If you are not satisfied, you can push it. You can go there and push it. If you are not satisfied with open. Hope you are understanding what I'm doing here. So you take your time and you open others. Because I'm going to pause this video so I can open others. I don't want this video to be too lengthy and do what I've done. So I am going to open the dining, the passage, and the entrance and the veranda. I've taught you how to open. I don't want this video to be too lengthy. So in the next lecture, after we have done our opening, so you have to go and do yours while I do mine. We teach you how to fix doors and windows. When I fix one door or two or one door and one window, I will also leave you to do yours. Then I'll pause the video. After doing all, then we'll come back and we do the roofing and other things. So that is how we continue. I don't want this video to be too lengthy. So thank you so much, and I hope you understood what we did. Hope to see yours, and you do a perfect job. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.